In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a part of a video in your CapCut projects. So let's say we have a clip here and I'm just going to drag it onto my timeline here. And let's say you're just not happy with something and you want to remove part of a clip. So what we can do here is I'm just going to cut out this part here. So what we can do is make sure your video is selected, go ahead and hit split clip. And what that's going to do is it's basically going to cut the clip and separate it into two sections. And then once you find your other spot that you want to get rid of, so let's just say I want to stop here. And what we can do is hit split clip once again. And then go ahead and select that clip that you kind of cut off to separate. And all you want to do is hit delete on your keyboard and it deletes that part of the clip. Now, if we go back and forth, that part is gone. And that is how you would remove part of a video on CapCut. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one.